Today, I'm going to teach you how to mark correct answers on Google Forms. This feature is incredibly useful when you're creating quizzes or assessments and need to automatically grade responses, saving you valuable time and effort. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials to access your Google Forms dashboard. After signing in, you'll see various options for creating new forms. Look for the option labeled Blank Form and click on it. This will open a fresh, new form ready for customization. You'll notice a clean interface with various tools at your disposal. Now in the top toolbar, locate and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your form. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the option that says Make this a quiz and toggle it on. This crucial step transforms your regular form into a quiz format, enabling you to assign point values and mark correct answers. Next, click on Untitled Form at the top of your page and type in your preferred title. This personalizes your quiz and helps you identify it later. Now it's time to set up your first question. Click on Untitled Question to begin editing. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can select different question types. Click on this drop-down and select Multiple Choice. This format works perfectly for questions with one correct answer among several options. In the Untitled Question field, enter your question. For example, you might type, "What is the center of an atom called?" This gives your students or respondents a clear prompt to answer. Now let's add the answer options. Click on Option 1 and type electron, then click Add Option and type neutron. Click Add Option again and type nucleus. Finally, click Add Option once more and type proton. You've now created a complete set of answer choices for your question. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Answer key at the bottom of the question. This opens the grading interface where you can designate which answer is correct. Click the circle beside the correct answer to mark it. In our example, that would be nucleus. Navigate to the points section where you can set how many points this question is worth. Adjust the point value according to your needs, then click Done to save your settings. And that's it. You've successfully created a quiz question with a marked correct answer in Google Forms. The form will now automatically grade this question when respondents submit their answers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.